It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 27th of September. I'm Michael Groff. After a beautiful day yesterday, we will see some more sun here today, less rain across the area, but the active weather should continue for most of the upcoming week with temperatures remaining below average. How much more rain will we get here in Phoenix, and when might the heat come back, if at all? Let's talk about it. First, yesterday in the valley, 80 degrees was the high temperature, but many of you never saw that. It occurred at 1 o'clock in the morning. That low temperature of 69, that happened at 3:30 in the afternoon. So we spent most of the day in the 70s, along with 0.14 of an inch of rain officially in the bucket at Sky Harbor, a fairly widespread, albeit light, precipitation event here in Phoenix. And that is 4 consecutive months, by the way, where we have been above average for precipitation. And that was the 23rd day in this monsoon season that we've had measurable rain, which is 1 day shy of tying the all-time record, which goes back more than 125 years. All right, looking out there now at 7:30 a.m., some clouds around this morning, and most of the rain has pushed on out of here, at least for the moment, and we are at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 64, relative humidity 78%, the winds are calm, and the barometer is steady. Check out these temperatures across the area this morning. Mid-60s in the cooler pockets around Thompson Peak, 65 right now. Upper 60s and low 70s elsewhere. The upper air look, yep, we've got that area of low pressure sitting here across the southwest, and that has been the facilitator of our unsettled weather. It is beginning to move out, but some wraparound moisture and instability will be with us through today, so we will see some showers and storms popping up across northern Arizona, and a few of those could drift into the lower deserts this afternoon. The convective outlook for today, we've got a marginal risk of severe storms in parts of Ohio and Pennsylvania. Here in Arizona, parts of the state in the green, so there could be some thunder around today, but the southwest portion of the state should stay dry. And the tropics, we have a few waves out there across the Atlantic, but the big focus right now is on Sam, still a major hurricane. Check out the satellite presentation on this. There has been a little bit of shear that this system has undergone in the last 12 to 16 hours or so, and that has weakened the system ever so slightly. Still a major hurricane, packing winds 130 miles per hour. A turn toward the north is expected later this week, and this should stay east of Bermuda. Obviously, it will stay well east of the United States. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix generally under 1/4 of an inch, with heavier totals across the rim country, the eastern mountains. And there has been a bit of a shift in the forecasting here with this next trough coming in that we'll talk about now as we get to the models. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low moving into New Mexico today. Some wraparound moisture and a little bit of instability and northerly flow aloft today. So down at the surface, some clouds around this morning. Will become mostly sunny by this afternoon, but widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will fire up to the north of us, and a few of those just might drift south into the lower desert, so at least we'll put a slight chance of afternoon storms in here for today. High temperatures warmer than yesterday, but still well below average. We should be in the mid-80s. Normal high for today is in the mid to upper 90s, so still not bad out there. Tonight, a slight chance of evening showers and thunderstorms, otherwise partly cloudy, overnight lows in the 60s to low 70s. And then tomorrow, mostly sunny. We do have a trough developing to the west of us across the Pacific Northwest, and so that will start to influence our weather. But I think tomorrow, just a few mountain thunderstorms, and that's about it. Here in the valley, we stay dry with high temperatures upper 80s and low 90s. On Wednesday, the models have begun to back off on the depth of this next trough coming in here. We still expect this system to impact the southwest and some moisture to get pulled northward for at least a slight chance of showers in here on Wednesday. But the vast majority of the moisture and dynamic support will be concentrated north and east of Phoenix. So high temperatures on Wednesday still expected to be in the mid to upper 80s. Wednesday night and Thursday, if we are going to get some rain out of this system, that's the main window of opportunity here. We'll put a 30% chance of rain in the forecast for that time. And high temperatures on Thursday, probably only in the low to mid 80s. Still expect some cool air with this system. And with the clouds and chances of rain around, I think temperatures will be held down to about 15 degrees below average potentially. By Friday, that starts to move out of here. Still a chance at some showers across the eastern mountains of the state, though. We turn mostly sunny, high temperatures back into the upper 80s or so. And then over the weekend, sunny sky will return with a shortwave ridge building in once more. and high temperatures should get back to around 90 on Saturday, low to mid-90s on Sunday. All right, as we go to next week, this is Monday, the 4th of October, the GFS showing a decidedly more interesting weather pattern emerging here, with a broad area of low pressure over the eastern Pacific, an elongated wave coming toward the west coast, and a tropical system to the south of us. And we have seen a number of different solutions out here, anything that ranges from dry and warm to the potential of a significant rain and potential severe weather event. For now, I would say an increase in clouds is possible here, with temperatures once again retreating a few degrees, but rain chances, that's a little bit too early to call right now. Then looking out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 6th, and again, broad low pressure, in fact, kind of a difluent flow developing over Arizona. But in the orientation of the wave, such as it's presented here, there's not a lot of moisture. What little there is, we could see some showers with this, but for now, that just looks like a cooler setup here with a broad westerly flow in place. All right, checking out rainfall for the Phoenix area over the next couple of weeks. This is coming off of the GFS ensemble, and the mean is just a hair over 1/3 of an inch. And temperatures off the national blend of models, highs mostly upper 80s to mid-90s, overnight lows in the 60s to low and mid-70s through much of the forecast period. And that looks pretty good. No sign of any triple digits returning, but I'm still not ready to declare that over with just yet. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there. Watch your kids around the swimming pool and have yourselves a tremendous Monday.